Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got a Ranger RCI-2970N4. We're going to do a tune-up report for Douglas in Pennsylvania. Starting with the power all the way down. He's also asked us for an amp switch in the back. So we're going to start barefoot, meaning amp switch off, power all the way down. And over here on the watt meter I got 10 watts across the top scale. All the way down is 1. All the way up is about 6, and the peak power for that 50 watts. Audio check. Audio. Okay, and I'm gonna try it in sideband now. Barefoot sideband. Audio check. Audio check. Audio. Okay. Now, we'll throw the switch in the back, take this leg out, and put in a 500. Alright, and I'm going to put this now on a 100 watt scale. Turn the power all the way down. Key up on AM, we get 10 to 100 variable. Over here again, 3, 4, 500 right here in the middle. Audio, PKM power, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio. Okay, and on the sideband. Audio, check, audio. And there's our sideband power. Alright, oh, quick jump. Breaker 19 for radio check. About a 19 we getting out there today. I appreciate it, driver. Thank you.